Alright, good morning all. Just left Boat Harbour camp hut down there. Had a good night. I got up, turned in there as you know last night quite late. Had a good night. Had a massive rainfall shower overnight and even this morning. That's why I'm leaving a bit late. It's 7:30. It's lovely weather now. Not sure if it's going to stay like that all the way, all the time. You can see in the background there's Boat Harbour, what they call Boat Harbour. I didn't end up going for a swim this morning because it was not really nice weather. And I'm heading towards Peaceful Bay now. And before I get to Peaceful Bay, there's a causeway that I've got to cross, and there's apparently you cross on some canoes or little kayaks. So I'm looking forward to that. But you can see where I came from yesterday now, because I've come up high here. I came all the way along that escarpment down to Peaceful Boat Harbour here. And this morning, yeah, as I said, we're going to go on to Peaceful Bay. There's a caravan park, so I'm hoping to get there. It's about 20 k's. I'm hoping to get there about lunchtime and might even get some food to eat there. So catch us all down the trail. It's going to be a great day. mightn't be many big hills to climb on this track, I tell you, but if you're just going up and down these sand dunes, take it out of you. Just an example. Here's a big pinch. The video probably doesn't do service, but that's a pretty steep pinch. And that's just going up, and then you go down again and up and down. Anyway, love hiking. Catch you all later. Got to the inlet, and I'm going to have to go across on this little canoe here. The wind, as you can see, is pretty bad, but luckily it's actually going my way. I was just talking to a young guy who's just come across from the other side, and he had a bit of trouble coming across because the winds and the tide's going against him. But I've got a canoe from just here down over to, don't know if you can see, just on the other side over there. So then we leave the canoe over there, and then the next person that's coming the other way brings the canoe over and drops it over here. So on that note, I'll launch my canoe and catch you down the trail, or canoe trail. Love hiking. Alright, well that was a bit of fun. Launched that alright. The wind was pretty horrific. I was only paddling on one side and I still managed to drift downstream a little bit. Anyway, I was lucky because I thought I was going to have to take another canoe off because there's a lady behind me coming across, but because I met that guy, there were two canoes on the other side, so I took one and there's one for her. And hopefully there'll be some more southbounders who'll take over some canoes for people coming north later, probably tomorrow. And so anyway, I've got 8 k's to roll into Peaceful Bay, so should get me there about 1 o'clock. It's nearly 11, so I should be there by about 1 o'clock, and I'm planning to have some lunch there and then move on to I think it's Rame's Head Hut in the afternoon. So I'll catch you down the trail. I've arrived at the Peaceful Bay Caravan Park and General Store, and I was so excited to get into my food. I've nearly devoured it before I updated you guys. So I got here just after 1:15, and it was about 23.5 kilometres to here. So they've kindly let me charge up my phone here and some other stuff. So I'll probably hang here for about an hour or more before I head off to, I think I think it's Rame's Head. Apparently that's only about 11 k's from here, so with my feet well rested, that shouldn't be too bad of a problem. I should hopefully get there about 5ish. So that's the plan for the afternoon. I'll catch us all later while I finish off and enjoy my lunch. Well, that was Peaceful Bay at the general store. Lunch is over, I've recharged a bunch. Now I've got 11 k's to walk to Rame's Head hut. It's turned a bit miserable, it's cold. I'm hoping with my walking I'll warm up. I've got to start off on the beach, so that's not going to be too pleasant. But anyway, I'll catch you down the trail, and it's going to be a great day. Really windy. The tide looks like it's coming in. The sand is soft. It's going to be hard going along here. I've probably got about a k of this beach to walk, and then we'll move inland a bit and hopefully a bit warmer in there. But the ocean looks unreal. Shame it's so cold. I'd love to go for a swim. Woo! Well, it's been on and off and on again this afternoon. As you can tell by the boardwalk, it's all wet. I'm glad I've come inland a bit. It's not so wild and woolly as out by the coast. So I've been soaked. Currently I'm close to dry again. It might not be the last time. I've got a couple more kilometres to walk before I get to the hut, so hopefully we'll get away with it, but fingers crossed. Just walking past some beautiful blossoms here, trees. It's great. This boardwalk's awesome. It's like must be walking through a bit of a swampy area. It's a nice raised boardwalk. Anyway, catch you at the hut.